that small investment has brought me over 30,000 Kenya shillings as we speak, and I'm going to show you proof.
My God!
If you are following me on my Instagram, you saw me like talking about it because I was beyond shocked. Like I was like, wait, it's gone this high. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olive Nkirate and this is Olive Nkirate rebranded, also known as ONR. So guys, as you might have read from the title of this video, guys, I come bearing 1, a story time, 2, a few tips and tricks, and 3, like guys, proof and proof of concept, basically. Yes, so I'm about to wear my hat, guys, imaginary hat, as of this video, guys. As of this video, please refer to me as Crypto Oli. Yes, guys, I'm Crypto Oli on Reddit. I am Crypto Oli on all cryptocurrency oriented platforms. So yes, guys, Crypto Oli is now in the building. Okay, and in case you're not aware, guys, this is actually my 10th video on cryptocurrency or about cryptocurrency, and I know this topic is only huge when things in the cryptocurrency world start to make noise in the news and everyone is running to go back to Olive's videos to find what she said about cryptocurrency. I have a playlist, guys. You can find it on the card right here popping up on the screen or in my description box below. I have 9 videos as we are talking. This is my 10th video on cryptocurrency. Anyway, I want to first start with a story time before I show you guys proof of concept, before I tell you the things that have happened in my life the last few days after Elon Musk decided to just make that money go high. So let's get into the story time. Do you really know much about cryptocurrency? Yes, the answer is yes, guys. I have been an avid lover and partaker of cryptocurrency with my partner. We are huge fans of technology and the technological space, and we believe that blockchain technology is the future. Other than the internet that came in a few years ago, technology in blockchain is what is going to now come in and, you know, make things interesting. So we knew about it in 2015 when I think one Bitcoin was roughly around $200, and yes, we did not buy it because we weren't also sure if it was a viable investment. So my story with cryptocurrency is, I remember back in uni, I had a chama with my friends. Shout out to them, they know themselves. Dorcas, Stacy, like we had a whole freaking chama where we used to save money every month. I proposed in the chama that we should save in Bitcoin, and these guys were like, okay. I was a treasurer, so I had the money, so I put the money in Bitcoin. And let me tell you, fun fact, guys, I think we had saved 10k each of us. And let me tell you guys, that's the time when the crypto boomerang hit. Basically what is happening now, it happened that time. So the Bitcoin went to as high as $20,000 for one Bitcoin. And I remember looking at my balance and our savings move from 30 to 35k to 40k to 50k to, guys, let me tell you, we made money. Like the money just kept growing and it wasn't stopping. But were we that informed about crypto? No, I wasn't informed either. I know I'm the one who suggested it, but I was not informed. So instead of selling when the boomerang hit, I decided to hold. And holding meant when the price went down, all the profits we made also disappeared. And by the time we were dissolving the group, I think we even had a small loss. So I decided to keep my holdings still in cryptocurrency. So I was like, you know what, I'm not going to remove this money. I know this boomerang happened, I know it's gonna happen again, I'm not gonna check my money. And unfortunately, I was still not informed in crypto, so my crypto was not safe and secure. It was in an exchange platform, which I totally do not recommend. And what happened is I got hacked. So I even have a video showing you guys how I actually got hacked. $100 of my money disappeared, and I learned from it, honestly, because now in the following year, actually I didn't learn from it, guys. Who am I lying to? So this is around 2017 if I'm not wrong. Team up with a friend and I'm like, you guys, let's do Bitcoin mining. So we had this trading platform we knew. We had already tested it out with like 2,500, and guys, we made like 10k. So in my mind, I was like, this ish is legit. I mean, I had put 2.5 and I got 10k. So in my mind, if I put 60k, I'm about to make a lot of money. So we come up together, we raise the money again, Olive savings, everything that I had worked hard for, we put the money in there. And I don't understand, I don't know what happened, but the platform we were using decided to quit on us and refused to give us our funds. Now, after doing a lot of research, I realized that that platform usually baits people, whereby if you invest a little money, you actually make back your money and even more. But what they do is they use that to make you invest more, and then you end up now losing your money because they don't give you the returns that you're supposedly making. So yes, that ended as well, unfortunately, like that. So now let's go to 2020 Oli. 2020 Oli, guys, is now a bit mature. She now knows cryptocurrency. She's been hit in all levels, guys. Like, there's nothing I had not gone through in this cryptocurrency world, you know. So in 2020, I remember I was doing this channel, and I always had a push and pull of cryptocurrency. I want to teach you guys cryptocurrency. I want to, you know, dive in deep and understand this world of cryptocurrency, but I don't want to do it alone. I want to do it with you guys. And if you go back on my YouTube playlist, you see I started uploading, I think, my cryptocurrency videos around end of April. Yes, so I started recording for this series. Obviously, if I'm going to be recording for a video this whole time, guys, I'm in mad research mode. I am not joking. I have outlines of what I want you guys to learn, outlines of what I've also learned, and what I'm going to tell you not to do, because one, I was hacked before. So I already learned that don't use a Gmail account, use a Proton Mail, which is more secure. I'd also learned don't keep your crypto in an exchange platform, keep them in a wallet. I also learned if you're keeping a lot of Bitcoin, don't keep them in a in a hot wallet, keep them in a cold wallet. So guys, I was ready. Yani, I was now guns blazing. I was like, I'm doing this the right way. So in 2020, around April, I'm showing you guys a notebook of mine. I had started writing down how the cryptocurrency prices were at the time, how I was going to actually go around teaching you guys cryptocurrency, as I was also trying to figure it out. And at the same time, I promised myself to invest as little as 1,000. I remember telling myself, Olive, you have nothing to lose. It's just 1,000 Kenya shillings. And I mean, I'd read in almost all blogs that please invest what you're willing to lose. And that is something I lived by. If I'm willing to lose 10K, that's what I'm going to invest. But at that time, I was willing to lose anywhere between 1,000 to 5K. That was my risk tolerance. So this is what I did. I remember I shot a video. I even showed you guys how to buy Bitcoin in Kenya for beginners. And I remember using Paxful. Again, I had a few coins of Ethereum in another wallet. And then if you've noticed in all my videos, I usually leave my donation tip or donation address, and it's any person who is into cryptocurrency and would like to donate for ONR. If the video maybe you watched and you liked it and you're crypto savvy, you could just send us a Bitcoin, you know, who knows? Or a decimal of a Bitcoin, obviously. Around August, I had started wrapping up my series. I had more information thanks to my videos. I had learned so much and I decided to take the plunge. So I'm not going to share with you guys all my wallets because that would be too much, you know. So for the sake of this video, I'm only going to share with you 3 wallets that I invested in crypto. So the first wallet, I put 1,200. This is actually the wallet that I showed you guys how to invest in Bitcoin. Yes, I have received my Bitcoins. It is still being confirmed on the Bitcoin network. This will take some time. That's pretty much it, guys. So yeah, hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me know down below. I genuinely guys did not add any more money, so I just put 1,200. And I actually remember in the video it was 1,200. By the time it entered into my wallet, it was like 800 bob, and I forgot about it. Then I opened another wallet, and this one was an Ethereum wallet. This was an Ethereum wallet, and I remember it was after I collaborated with Decent, and Decent is a very Ethereum forward based wallet. Steps you need to take for you to be able to set up your wallet. Okay, oh my gosh, you guys, this looks like an iPod. It looks like a mini iPod, like legit. But it feels really nice. It really feels really nice. So guys, this is how the wallet looks. The back, it really feels nice. So I had around 2,500 in that wallet as well. So there's 1,200, it's 2,500. And then if you've noticed in all my videos, guys, I usually leave my my address if you want to donate for us on the channel, or tip me, or just say thank you for the work that I do and you're a crypto savvy person. You can send me a decimal of a Bitcoin. I honestly decided to leave that money. You know the way you put money there and you tell yourself, I will not touch that money. Like, why am I touching this money? Exactly my point. Guys, I kid you not, 8 months later, which is today, I had been seeing the cryptos are growing, but I was really not paying attention. You know the way you don't want to get it in too much in your head and convince yourself that you should sell, you should buy more. I honestly had told myself I will not add, I will not do much. I've lost so much money doing this, I will leave it as it is. These are the 3 wallets that I am sharing with you guys, but I had been putting my money in other wallets and other coins as well. So I didn't want to just maintain Bitcoin and Ethereum. I had Ripple, I had Cardano, like I had, you know, just diversifying my portfolio with all the small, literally small guys. When I mean small, I mean small money that I had. And then let's not forget, it was the pandemic. I was relaunching my business, I was scaling, as in too many things were happening. When I bought, I remember the Bitcoin was around 800, 900, and it was still quite high, but let me just invest. I mean, I was doing it for the video. I had read and researched, why not? Guys, fast forward to February 8th, 2021, guys. Out of spending 3,500 Kenya shillings that you know of, because there are some that you don't know of, that small investment has brought me over 30,000 Kenya shillings as we speak. And I'm going to show you proof. And I think if you are following me on my Instagram, you saw me like talking about it, because I was beyond shocked. Like I was like, wait, it's gone this high, I didn't know. So if you follow me on Instagram, you'd have seen my reactions and my scoop and all that. So yeah, I've made over 30,000 from just 3 wallets. So the one that was 1,000 shillings, it reached $91. The one that was on 2,500 shillings reached $212. The one that was, actually guys, on my Instagram I said that it was my affiliate balance. If you're following me from Instagram and you've come to watch this video, I correct myself, it was not actually an affiliate balance. What happened with my 3rd wallet, which was on Paxful, is people actually donated for Oli. So I saw I was donated around $9 in total around late last year. And since guys, I just forget these things. I put money and forget. So when I opened my Paxful wallet, guys, I see 5,000 freaking 800 Kenya shillings. I was like, what? 5,800? Where does this money come from? You know, like I was trying to understand. At first I even thought it's my affiliate. And then I look at my affiliate and I'm like, it doesn't make sense, because Paxful was saying you can't even withdraw your affiliate. So I'm trying, then I go to transactions and I see some guy called Modet or Moped or some guy donating to my channel. Like, thank you to you guys, because you donated around $9, and that $9 has brought 5,800 shillings into my life that I did not work hard for. Okay, I did work hard for, because probably I did a video and then you saw the video and then you saw the link and then you decided to donate to me. Anyway, so guys, this week has been very overwhelming for me, because I was in tight spots, I had things to clear out, and then all of a sudden I had an influx of money that I honestly did not foresee. There are some wallets I'm really debating if I should hold it or sell it and enjoy the profits. But again, I've learned with investments, you don't remove everything. Like if you remove everything, tomorrow maybe at Bitcoin itafika $100,000. It's on 48,000. Who knows? You know what I mean? So I also want to enjoy it tomorrow. So I've left so many investments just sitting. And I'm really grateful to God that I took the step to just put that bare minimum and tell myself it's better than nothing. So I think that is enough for story time and proof of concept. So I want to share with you guys just a few tips that I've learned through my years of dabbling and playing with cryptocurrency. So my first tip is